I'm going to be showing you how to hand paint some flowers. I didn't think I was that much of an artist until I actually tried to paint this, and I think that I'm a professional painter now. So right now I'm actually doing it on a cup. I'm currently making a cup personalized for me, and it's gonna have hand painted flowers on one side and then like a beach theme scene on the other side. So let's get to it. So what you'll need are something plastic. I have this Panda Express plastic plate that's actually reusable. This is so you can put your two different colors on, and then where you can blend your colors together there. I've already been using my brush, so it's kind of not clean, but a brush as well, your desired size for the size of petals that you'd like. And you want your outside color. I'm doing the dark blue because I have a teal background. And then the inside, to give you that kind of contour line there, right there, I usually use white. You can use other colors. If I wasn't using the teal background, I'd probably use my teal color for that. Okay. So what you want to do is take your two colors. I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to squirt that over here. Not too much because you can add as you need. And then I'm going to take my white and squirt that over here. Now I'm going to take my brush, and you see how I have one side of it blue and the other side of it white? That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take and dip it into the blue, just a little bit in the tip. And the other side, I'm going to take and dip it in the white. Now, right here, I'm just going to blend the colors together on the brush. So what this does, it keeps it from looking so harsh, such a harsh line. You can go the other way if you'd like, but usually I just do one side. I'll just dip a little bit more just in case you need some more. And just do that. Now, we're going to paint. So we'll take the brush, and let me move my light a little bit over here, that way my arms aren't in the way. So I'm gonna try to get this space here, and I'm kind of doing a half flower. I would show you how to do a whole flower, but it's pretty much the same concept, except you just go in a circle. So I'm gonna do it over here. You'll take and you'll do your first petal, and you can do it however you like. Here I did one big petal. Here I did double petals. So I'm gonna do one big petal on the first petal. Just start here, and then just taper it off. I promise you it'll look a whole lot better than that. So I'm gonna dip it in my color again, and blend. And you can just start kind of like overlap it a little, and then just up, and then down. Color, color, make sure you get it on the right sides of the brush. Blend it. And overlap it, and you kind of want to angle it this way because now it's going in a circle. So overlap it, and then taper. And if you do kind of miss it, all you gotta do is just go over it a little, and it'll still look good. So we're gonna do some more color. And I'm gonna start kind of like a little bit here and kind of do a short one because you don't want the petals to be exactly on the right same spot. Kind of want to stagger them a little. You can kind of clean off your brush a little if there's too much excess paint going onto it. Look at there. And that, my friends, is a flower. And I generally like to put some dots in the middle, probably some teal. You can see what teal looks like. I'll just take a finer point brush there. Take the teal, just dip a little bit, and then just dot it on there. And I do have this taped off because, like I said, I'm doing half the cup flowers and the other half is going to be like a beach scene. And there you go. That is your flower. And all these others were actually done the exact same way. I just wanted to show y'all this satisfying thing going on here. So let me just peel this off. Okay guys, that concludes my video on how to do these flowers. Thank you.